Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. It says Power Strip Liberator. It's the classic 15-foot 2-pack. So it's a 2-pack of 15-foot extension cords basically. But I'll show you guys what they are here. So I got these because when I do my videos and things like that here, because I do a lot of videos and all, I wanted to be able to run a wire to go from the outlet over to where I'm at here. And I do have one. You can kind of see it's right here, but it's too short. So I mean, it doesn't go long, it doesn't get close enough. So I got this one here, which is 15 foot. That one was 10 foot. But look at this. It's a nice cable. It's got good flex to it and stuff. It's not super stiff. And I got nice and white. So one of them I'm going to use for this. So I'll have it running over here. And the other one, I have this Murphy bed here. You can see this Murphy bed here, and it'll run behind the whole bed to the other side because I needed to get some uh, plugs on the other side for that. So there we go. So my two of these will be in use because those are the distance one, and then so one will be for here, and then my other one that I just have here going to go in the bedroom for something else. So needed these cords, and it was nice to be able to get a 2-pack, and they are super heavy duty. Look at that, nice, good thick wire, and good 3-prong plug. So I'm going to say these are nice. Thumbs up for sure.